Musgrave Island. It's been a 2-hour boat ride, very choppy and spewy. So stay with us for some hopefully really good footage. It's a bit overcast, but the water is still very beautiful and blue. Sorry for the shaky camera, it's really windy and choppy here. Whew. Let's do this. So we're on Lady Musgrave Island of Bundaberg, where we've got turtles swimming with us right underneath the boat. Saw a lot of clownfish. We've been snorkeling. It's an interesting day. It was really choppy to come out here as well. And the exposure is a little bit high. There we go. Yeah, so Lady Musgrave Island is like the beginning of the barrier reef, and the island, which is literally right there. We're gonna go and walk on it in a second. We've seen turtles, we've been snorkeling. It's great, but yeah, the boat ride here was extremely choppy. It was not good. Apart from that, it's a really nice day. Just a bit overcast. We've had a bit of rain and drizzle. But I'll bring you some good snorkeling footage. Hopefully I'll be able to put the drone up if the wind subsides a little bit. So we're on Lady Musgrave Island. You can hear all the birds up there. They call them naughty birds or something like that. There's 20,000 of them here. It's insane. Look at all of them. All the nests up there. Crazy. Oh, and there's a dead bird here. Apparently the dead birds feed the trees here. And things like that. Oh yeah, there's a couple of them, isn't there? Yeah, so there's dead chicks. There's dead chicks everywhere, and it's egg hatching season for the turtles as well. But it's a pretty cool island. The whole island's made out of coral, so there's actually no soil here, and all these birds brought the seeds and the trees grew. But look at these guys here. Hey guys. There's a little chick here. I'm gonna go before I get pooped on. It's turned out to be a pretty cool day, but very hot. Great place, definitely visit it if you can.
Whereas the greens will go up like a breaststroke, so their tracks there's a lot of push marks. Whereas the loggerhead turtle, you can see it's kind of like a kind of a zigzag pattern. Also, their tail will also do kind of one of these curvy patterns. The green sea turtles will just kind of go straight up the beach. But this is a loggerhead track here. And these holes, this is where their nests are. And they dig out that body cavity. And then with their back fins, once they've dug out away all that white fluffy sand, the body cavity,
we made it back to Hervey Bay. The trip back was way better than the trip over there. I'll put the description of these guys into the vlog if you ever want to watch book Lady Musgrave Island. I've got 2 hours back to Hervey Bay. That guy's gonna drive.
Make sure we get home safe.
I don't trust him, he's from Melbourne. They don't know how to drive in Queensland. We got kangaroos here, not wombats. This one's grumpy because she hasn't eaten the whole day. She was throwing up on the way to the island. I actually got sunburnt really badly. I don't know how. I must have not reapplied enough. Anyway, drive back now. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you soon.